Alright, let's get into it. We're starting with a blank canvas, but the vision is clear. We're taking Savanna's iconic dry identity and elevating it through a technical industrial lens. First step, setting the guides. In high-end design, precision is everything. We aren't just placing elements, we're building a grid that commands attention. We're bringing in the primary assets. Notice the focus on the product shot. We want it crisp, clear, and centered. We're establishing the hero of the composition. Every pixel of that bottle needs to feel refreshing before we even add the first layer of text. Time to play with the atmosphere. We're going with a minimalist background to let the yellow pop. It's about contrast, darker industrial tones versus that vibrant Savanna yellow. It's clean, it's professional, and it ditches the unnecessary clutter.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated.
Let's talk type. We're moving away from standard layouts and going for a more structured editorial feel. I'm experimenting with font weights here, bold headers to ground the design, and lighter technical specs to give it that blueprint vibe. It's about hierarchy. We want the eye to travel exactly where we want it.
Yeah.
Watch the spacing here. This is where most designers rush, but we're taking our time. Kerning, leading, and alignment. These small adjustments are the difference between a social media post and a brand proposal. We're treating this layout like a piece of high-end architecture.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
This is my favorite part, the technical overlays. We're adding measurement lines and spec data. It gives the viewer a sense of the craft behind the drink. It's not just a bottle, it's a design specimen. This aesthetic is for the people who appreciate the details, the industrial design lovers.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to
Refining the secondary elements. We're adding the chilled and dry markers. Notice how the yellow squares act as anchors for the text. It creates a modular look that feels very modern and very Kiingz creatives. We're building a language, not just a picture.
to get away, to see you again. We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always strong, and I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again.
Let's jump into the retouching. We're enhancing the highlights on the bottle. I want that condensation to look tactical. We're using masking and curves to bring out the depth in the glass. It needs to feel premium. If it doesn't look like it belongs in a global brand proposal, it's not finished.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Balancing the color grades. We're ensuring the yellow stays true to the brand, while keeping the shadows deep and moody. This isn't your typical bright, flat ad. We're giving it a cinematic edge. Sophisticated, but still punchy.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna try, but
The finishing touches. We're reviewing the entire composition. Does every line lead somewhere? Is the branding unmistakable? We're tweaking the small things now. Grain, sharpness, and final alignments. In this phase, we're essentially polishing the chrome before the big reveal.
If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah. Take you like a pill. And my fill you like a pill to get my fill. No, do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah. Take you like a pill. Get my fill.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
And there you have it. A full, high-end industrial design transformation for Savanna. We took the dry concept and made it surgical. Crisp typography, technical precision, and a minimalist aesthetic that stands out in any feed. This is how we do brand strategy at Kiingz Creatives. Thanks for riding along with the process. Stay sharp, stay dry. Cheers.